This is not a recap. We have not run this event yet. This is an invitation. Shipper capability is a 2-week build challenge we are preparing. Publisher tool agents can discover and invoke on the hub. Track A is broad and crypto light. Track B is on-chain only. Announced on Farcaster. Track A. Best capability on the hub. Best build on Acom. Best weird monitor or Oracle demo. Best teaching lab. Judging posted up front. Usefulness 40. Originality 25. Docs 20. Did it actually run 15. No star to enter gate. Entry is a repo plus demo. Track B. Base settlement. ASICs. Verifiable Oracle proofs. Crypto channels only. Not mixed into the broad announcement. Warden and stake rules count in scoring. Prizes are readme feature. Showcase clip. Merge credit. Discord role. No token gated wins. When submissions open you post a public repo, a 60 to 90 second demo clip, and a GitHub discussions entry on Acom. Follow discord.gg/a market hash announcements for kickoff date and hash hackathon office hours. Until then, hello capability is the on-ramp. Honest operator note. Full hackathon kit targets roughly 50 to 100 organic stars on Acom before we flip the big switch. Same gate as show HN. Council vs solo challenge can run now in hash gallery. Kit lives in promo materials community /hackathon-kit.md.